Yep, that's me. And this is my friend Wade. And we travelled halfway across the world to visit 16 theme parks in 20 days, all across the United States of America. We give you our full ride reviews. Wow.
Favourite ride ever.
We bring you on ride. And give you our full thoughts on every single theme park we visited.
Wow. Such a good park.
Incredible park. This is the USA Theme Park Road Trip 2023. Good morning. Good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. The day has come.
Has arrived finally.
Has arrived.
Months and months of planning.
Yep, we are heading to the USA.
Yeah.
So excited. So yeah, if you don't know, we're heading to 15 theme parks, over 170 roller coasters, possibly. You might get on, but and yeah, we're so excited. We're so excited. So we're starting here in Brisbane. We're catching a flight to LA first. I think it's a 14-hour flight, so it's gonna be a long one.
Yeah, plenty of sleep will be had.
Yeah, if we can sleep. I'm not too good at sleeping.
Oh, I mean, I can sleep straight away.
Lucky. And then we arrive in LAX, and then we've got a 3-hour layover.
Yeah.
And then a 5-hour flight to Orlando. So
that's where the fun starts. Yeah,
it's a long time ahead, but we're so excited, and yeah, come along for it. We've made it to LA.
What a mission.
That was a mission. We'll start off with the flight. Was the flight good?
Flight was alright.
Yeah, flight was alright. Only had a crying baby twice, but that's a given on a flight. But yeah, it was alright. Now, border, customs. Stupid. What are you doing?
Stupidity.
We were standing in line for about an hour and a half, I reckon. Almost an hour and a half. And then we get to the front to scan a passport. Wade gets his passport scanned. All good, does the thing. Didn't stamp it, I don't know, whatever. Then he takes mine, doesn't do my fingerprints, and then he just lets us in. So we stood in line for an hour and a half, only to get the passport done for like 30 seconds. And then they let us in.
We're in though.
We're here. We got a flight to catch now. We're going to Orlando. So we landed at B Terminal, I think, and now we're heading to Terminal 4, is it?
Yeah.
Terminal 4 now. And yeah, we'll see you when we get inside American Airlines. Alright, so we have made it to Orlando. Finally. about 24 hours later, we are finally here. We've just picked up the rental car. Looks pretty good, I think.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, we'll give you a tour a bit later on. But the plan now is to, we're going to go to the hotel, check in, and we'll give you a room tour. And yeah, that'll be it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's do it. Let's go. Alright, so we have just arrived at the Hilton. Yeah, we're about to go check in, but before we go check in, we're gonna show you around the car, show you our hire car. We got to pick it ourselves. They gave us a choice of 10 cars or something.
Yeah.
And we chose a pretty good one, I reckon. So yeah, let's check it out. So here is our little baby for the next 2 weeks. Yeah, it's a Ford Escape, I think. Yeah, come around the back. Ford Escape does the job. There you go. Tons of boot room. So perfect for our suitcases when we are travelling. But for the next 5 days, we're at Universal and all the parks in Orlando here. So yeah, it's quite good. Have a little look in there. Quite nice. Got Apple CarPlay. Everything we want. Chargers. It's perfect. And Prime. So yeah, we'll go check in and we'll show you our room. All right, we have arrived at our room here. 10:15. Hello. Hey.
Come on in.
Oh, here is the room. Quite nice, if I do say so myself. Well, it's looking quite good. What are they? Double beds, queen beds? I'm not sure. It's looking quite good. We've got quite a nice pool view here. Oh, look at that. Absolutely mint. Very nice. We'll show you over here in the bathroom. Where's the light? Oh, yep. Yeah. Not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. So there we go. We have arrived. We've officially arrived in Orlando.
Finally checked in.
The USA road trip has started. Has begun.
Yeah.
And yeah, we are heading to Universal tomorrow. So stay tuned for that vlog. That'll be the next video on the channel. But yeah, there's our travel vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you go down there, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button.
Make this trip worthwhile for us.
100%. This is a massive trip for us. We've been waiting for this for a long time, so it's finally here. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.